Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming by today to see this Destash video. So I have these Papercrafts items that I am getting rid of, and the first one is Sunny Blooms. This is Lot A, free shipping plus a free gift, and it's going to be $20. So we have the paper. It's 36 sheets with gold foiling, and I'll try to flip through it if I can. There's sentiments. It is single-sided, flowers and different things, sentiments, some strawberries. So that is the paper there. And then we have 70 pieces of ephemera with some vellum, and these are also gold foiling. I'll try to bring this up to show you closer. There's another set of ephemera, another 70 pieces. Same thing. I'll try to bring it up. And then 47 pieces of puffy stickers. So that is Lot A. And I'm not sure I'll be able to pause in between these, but we'll try to move along as quickly as possible. Alright, this is Woodland Grove, Maggie Holmes. So there is the same thing, $20. This is Lot 1. So that was A, but now we're going to start with numbers. So same thing, free shipping, free gift. I do take PayPal, but if you have something else, we'll try it. So there's these little hearts. I don't know how many pieces are in there. This set of flat stickers. And there's more on this side. And these have gold foiling. Oh, it's so hard to see what I'm doing on my phone. My other camera completely died. This is the card kit. There's 560 pieces here. It makes 20 cards. And this is what the note cards look like inside. There's 63 stickers, 6 washi strips. There's like 400 pop dots that comes with it, and 60 pieces of ephemera and 20 envelopes. And then this is the stamp and die set. So let me see if I can take this out so it's not glaring. Those are the dies. And they're pink. I don't think I've ever seen pink dies. And then, of course, the stamps goes right over them. Like that. So that is Woodland Grove, Lot 1. Now, 2 and 3 are also Maggie Holmes. So we'll just do... these are identical. Get rid of that. This is Lot 2. So we have the paper. Let's see if we can flip through this real quick. And there is some gold foiling on that. It's 24 sheets, and it's single-sided. There are 202 stickers in this sticker pack. 8 sheets, I think. And then this ephemera, there are 40 pieces, and it has some acetate pieces in it as well. So that is Sunny Days Lot 2. It's $20. Same thing, free shipping, free gift. And last time I did this, I did put some dies in people's, matching dies in people's things for free gift. So that's Lot 2. Lot 3 is exactly the same. And then we have Lot 4, and this is Parasol, and this is the Parasol paper, and there are 36 sheets. This one is $25, and I'll show you why in a minute. So just try to flip through the pages here. And it has these thickers, and I am not sure that this exactly goes with this, as the website was a little confusing about that, but there are 2 sides, and it seems to match pretty well with everything, so I'm going to say it is. There's a pack of ephemera, 40 pieces, that has some vellum in it, and also gold foiling. There's these little tiny puffy stickers. They're so cute. There's 40 of these note cards, and I don't think I'm going to be able to flip that, but let's see if I can show you on this side. Maybe. And then this is a sticker pack, 176 pieces. And there's some of the ones that you get. It's nice that these peel off or roll, and you don't have to, they're not those pet stickers. So that's Parasol, and it is $25. So my email will be in the description box. It'll also be pinned in the comments, okay? So thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time with something new. We can shut this off now.